Okay, so hi and welcome to this video. I'm here in beautiful nature, early morning. It's a lovely time to spend some quiet time here, and I just wanted to share um, some of my daily thoughts. I've called this video Celebrating Rain. Because it's just something that we generally don't do, at least in the society where I've grown up and what I see, uh, what I see around me. So, for the last couple of weeks here in Sweden, it's been very, very hot and very dry. And just the last couple of days, the weather has changed, and it's been a lot of rain, a lot of wind, a lot of what you would call, most people will say, it's a negative weather, and they'd rather not have it during their summer vacation, whatever. And I was in nature, and I had this vision where I got this example where, imagine a man or a woman or a human who, let's say, has not been drinking for a couple of weeks. Let's say that's possible. I mean, that's probably possible, but not so common. But let's say he's really dehydrated, and finally he finds some water and he drinks. That would be a moment to celebrate for him. And I think most people would do that, and they would definitely celebrate themselves if we were in a in that state and would find some water. And I just saw Mother Earth, and I saw how she celebrated this rain now, that she's been so dry for so long. And I just had this, I've kinda not been affected by weather for the last couple of years in terms of how my mindset, but I just saw it's such a beautiful time to celebrate the rain, and what most of the time people would call negative, or it's rain, that sucks, kind of, I see those kind of comments and ideas everywhere, and I think, well, I don't think, but it's such a subconscious program, where people don't even question their thoughts regarding that. It's just, when it's sun, all is good. When it's rain, that sucks. Or that's that's unfortunate. But yeah, I just want to share that, all times, all ideas, or not ideas, all circumstances usually have a meaning, and they are definitely worth celebrating, especially rain like this. All the animals and all the creatures here has been so thirsty, and some I just, yeah, I just wanted to share that simple thing. So I'm gonna keep celebrating this weather now. And I'll see you in the next video. Okay, take care, peace, goodbye.